Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can change your name in Kik Messengers. For those who don't know what Kik is, it is a messenger app where you can match with people, you can find new people, and you can watch live as well. So you can go ahead and download and install the Kik app. Go ahead and tap on Kik app. Now if you want to change your name, the first step you want to do is click on your profile. Then the next thing you want to do is click on your account. You can see your Kik username and you can also see your name. So if you want to use this option, you can easily go here and you can see that right now we are going to change our name. Go ahead and write down the first name and write down the last name. Go ahead and click on save after you're done. And there you go. You can now see that your full name has been changed. It's quite easy to do. Let me show it to you once again. Go to your profile, click on your account, and you can see the name option. Go ahead and tap on it, and you can see the last name and first name. You can go ahead and remove the first name and last name, and if you want to change it, you can do that as well. So go ahead and select your first name, last name, and click save. After you do so, you can see that the name has been officially changed. I hope this video about how you can change your name in Kik was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.